Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to review Daylite CRM. Let's start with the big features, contact and relationship management. Daylite lets you save all contact info like clients, lead, vendor, and your team. You can link contacts with emails, meetings, texts, and project. This way you see the full story of every relationship. No info gets lost, no deal falls through the crack. Next, project and task management. You can add tasks, set due dates, track projects, and break big projects into stage, all in one simple view. And you can also link tasks to your contacts and sales too. This keeps your whole team on track, no more switching tools. And another great feature is email integration. Taillights work with Apple Mail, so you can link email to your contact or deal, make tags or meeting right from your inbox. No more switching apps again and again. That saves a lot of time. Another cool feature is sales pipeline. You can track deals from start to finish, set sale stages, add notes, documents, and see the deal value. This helps your team focus, forecast better, and close more deals. So, why is Daylight a good choice? Because it made just for Apple user. It works smoothly with Apple Mail, Calendar, and Contacts. It feels like it's a part of your Mac. So in 2025, it's even better with faster sync, better performance, and easy setup. There is no cost per contact, so it's perfect for agencies, law firms, consultants, and creative team. So if your business use Mac and you want a CRM that fits your Apple world, then you must try Daylite. You get contacts, projects, sales, team communication all in one clean place, so no mess, no confusion. Start using Daylite and turn your relationship into result. And that's it for this video. If it helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.